guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
Okay, so I got this cool wig like a few months ago, and the video was supposed to be me unboxing it and combing it and testing quality and all that, because it is my first wig, and that never happened. So I thought I would kind of do that one, but also you do a new video because I don't want to do the original idea anymore. So cool, to start this video, I'm gonna do some info on the hair. So this is a Amazon wig that I bought. It's synthetic. The real ones are very expensive and I don't have that type of money. The link to this wig will be in the description, but the name of it is Vigorous, or the company. Long, black, straight, 28 inches synthetic wig with bangs. And the only reason I got with bangs because synthetic wigs without bangs tend to be looking crazy, and it's real hard to mess up a bang wig. But what we're gonna be doing with this wig is trying to do styles with it. Because when I bought it, the girl who had it, I don't even know if it was actually the picture for the wig, because you know they still pictures, but like it's a decent quality, but still. She had it in space buns, which I tend to do a lot with my own hair because they're cute. But within the reviews, someone said, could you do like a half up, half style with it? And it was like, no. Yet the picture had a girl with space buns. I don't understand. So that is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try a few hairstyles, test its durability and wearability, but we're also gonna try to do May's hairstyle from Avatar because I feel this could really look cute. And I originally got it to cosplay Hinata, but I might double up on cosplays with the, actually I was definitely doubling with cosplays, but you know. So the materials that I'm going to be using today are some hair clips, some hair ties that I just bought because you know they just keep going missing, and you know, a simple paddle brush. We're also going to take off the hat. As you can see, that's why I wore a hat. It's very, yeah, it's a wig. It is indeed bangs. They are indeed bangs. I did braids because, like I said, it tangles so easily. First hairstyle we're gonna do is the one that I saw a picture of when I first was thinking of getting it, which was space buns. But they said that you couldn't do space buns, so we're gonna test it. So like I said, this is it is pretty cool quality. I did trim the bang a little because I don't got much foreheads. I don't got much forehead, but that is kind of how it goes with bangs. People with bigger foreheads tend to look the best with them, where the rest of us just kind of have to do baby bangs and look crazy, or do side bangs and look quirky. So we're just gonna take a bit right. We're gonna leave that part so it doesn't come up on the edge. We're gonna try and be gentle because I just detangled this. It's not gonna go well. Okay, so far so good. I'm trying to figure out how to do space buns with really long hair. No. I've reached a roadblock. We're just gonna twist at the root and go around our fingers. Tighten. Take one of the hair ties, kind of make a ball. No. So we're gonna try again, but this time we're gonna take a bobby pin and we're just gonna pin it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That was a little crazy, not gonna lie. We're gonna try to do the other side. Twist. I can feel it's not gonna turn out right. Good thing I put a So, I mean, they're not perfect space buns, but they're bunned. So this is the first style. It's not bad. Is it good? No. I feel like you can see the netting of the wig. Yeah, see right there. So maybe if you're gonna do buns, don't do them so heavy. And now I have to detangle, yay. There's so much hair, I hate it. I hate it. This is exactly why I cut my hair. It just sheds so much. I mean, short hair sheds. It's not like that. We're just gonna go ahead and try May's style. Okay, so I just watched like 3 tutorials and none of them were fucking good. Why is her hair so difficult? So they said, oh, I don't want to put that much. So I'm gonna, it's like, oh, she has 2 buns on the top, obviously. I know that. I'm talking shit to myself. So we're back to doing fun shit buns. And we're just gonna clip them this time. No. Why didn't I pick a character with easy hair? She has like 10,000 parts to her hair. Okay, so those are the buns. You know what? They actually look a lot better than my first time. And they actually go. So maybe you can do buns. I just fucking suck at it. It's shedding so much because your hand done that wrong. Probably. She has these 2 pieces in the back that are kind of just, they just sit. They said to just kind of put it like that, but it's really long, so I'm just gonna sneak it into the ponytail. I don't know how she did it, but we're just gonna sneak it into the ponytail. You know what? This is going fucking great. This is going great. This is honestly going pretty well. And then you do the loopy-doos that she has. Thank God for pins. And you're Princess May. I put too much in the bun, so now it looks weird. My final verdict on the wig is that if you know how to work it, it works great. I tried buns and it didn't work the first time, but the second time it did. It's how you manipulate it. It's a great wig. I'm gonna use it for my cosplays and hopefully it doesn't get ruined before. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I've given enough information on this wig if you were looking at it, possibly. I don't know. It seemed very popular on the website. Maybe you were looking at it. Well, 6 out of 10. Like and subscribe to my channel for more fun shit. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram and SoundCloud because I do music. Well, that is all I'm going to ramble about, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.